Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I would like to show to you how to install Chrome. Okay, now start together. Now open another browser, yes, and also type on Google Chrome. Okay. Now you go to the file installer, click agreement. Okay, click save as. Wait for a few minutes. Okay, and then double click on the file. Okay, wait for a few minutes. Now the program still running. Yeah, it's still download from the internet, right? So you should to have internet connection. If you download direct from the application from the website Chrome, yes. So we should to download and download from the last version from the Chrome website. Okay, now it's still download. Yes, you should to wait for a few minutes. Okay, now it's already done. Okay, done. Okay, wait. Okay, now it's already done. Okay, thank you very much. See you in the next video.